Welcome to our designer jewellery making tutorial. We are using a large check glass very coloured feature bead within this design. The bold shape and the size of this bead acts as an indicator to the style of the necklace we're going to create. The colour accents within the very bead provides me with the colour inspiration that I use to develop the design. The weight and the character of this design works well using Griffin 49 strand 0.45mm diameter wire rope, a very modern stringing material. The flexibility alongside the drape of the cable will comfortably carry the length and the form of this necklace. Traditional check seed beads play a large role in this design. This size 32 seed bead is one of the seed bead giants. The purple shade gives a shade variation alongside the very berry, but doesn't compete with it. The guava pink size 9 seed bead sits next to the purple shades on the colour wheel. This adds new intensity to the design, connecting with the pink blush of the very shiny round druck bead. The size 11 uses its contrasting colour and size to give another added dimension to the colours within the very bead. These three different sizes of seed bead all have a unique character from their size and colour. The final length of my necklace will be 65 centimetres. To create a balanced look, I will have only 7 sections with my very berry bead. The rest of the length will be made up of simpler sections. Subtlety is crucial to finishing the design. As the necklace is completely glass, my colour choice for the finishing components are our unique black finish. Precious metal all the way through, but the black finish adds a sleek touch to the completed design. Slide on a culotte crimp. Form a simple knot close to your work. Allowing for a flexible tension within the string of beads. You can add some glue within your knot before you pull it tight. I'm going to use an extra crimp bead, reinforcing the knot. Cut off your excess cable and close your culotte crimp over your crimp and your knot. Two strips of your culotte crimp need to be wound into a loop. The final task will be to attach the catch. 2 pairs of chain nose pliers make the job easier. Take your jump ring, the other set of pliers, open the jump ring wide, thread through, slide your catch on, and reclose flush. With the opposite side, the same applies, but if you're going to give this as a gift or you want flexibility on the length that you wear your piece, open your jump ring, have your extender chain slide through and close. Your necklace is now ready to wear. Thank you for watching. I'm Kate. If you have any questions, feel free to talk to me on Facebook or send me an email.